again! Let's see where we go this week with Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon's time machine. We've come to the 1700s! Today we're going to be pirates, I love it! Here we have Captain Moon, the bravest of the seas, and the fearsome Admiral Rainbow in their huge pirate ship. I see that you even have a parrot! You are now ready to begin your pirate mission! Let's see the map. We are here, and we have to find the famous lost treasure of the Caribbean, which is here. No, Gato Rainbow, this mission is not that easy. Look, on your way you will pass through the mysterious cave, the evil crab, and the grumpy crocodile. And then you will see the treasure. Okay guys, let's calm down. You don't even have the treasure yet. Well, I see you're fully prepared. Weigh anchors, pirates! That means that you have to raise the anchors, guys. Otherwise you won't be able to sail. Now you can. Let's go! Do you see the cave, Admiral Rainbow? There it is! Captain Moon must be warned. Uh-oh, one moment. It's so dark in here. Ouch! Is that a mermaid? Watch out for that angle! Wow, a fish with 3 eyes! Where did the parrot go? Good, I see that you are well. Although the boat has suffered some damage. Oh well, let's keep going. What do you see with your spyglass? What is that? It's the evil crab! Look at those huge pincers! Be very careful! I wonder if there will be any adventure in which you don't get scared like this. What do you see? It's the grumpy crocodile! It seems that Admiral Rainbow is scared. Shh, he's asleep. Don't make noise. You guys are so lucky! This means that we're close to the treasure. There it is! You guys found it! Let's see what's inside. Oh, the ship is sinking. With your time machine. How are you going to get home? To be continued. Don't miss our next episode to find out what happens to Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon. Bye bye!